Hi, I'm Doug from AppleIPhoneSchool.com, and I'm going to show you how to add a source to Cydia. So the first thing, there's two ways that you can add a source to Cydia, and there are the sources that are built into Cydia that already come that way first of all, and then you can add them through Cydia. So you can just like in installing an application in Cydia, if you go right to the very first screen, so if you tap on the word Cydia at the bottom and you go to more package sources. And here you can see there's all kinds of sources that you can add. And for example, I'm just going to show you iClarified. So you just tap on iClarified, tap install, and it installs like it's an app. And then all you'll have to do is once that's done, you just go to the sources tab at the bottom, and you'll see that it's now there. So you have now iClarified, and you can actually tap on the source to see all of the specific things that are within that source. So another way to do it is you go to our website and you go to appleiPhoneSchool.com/sources, or you just go to the More tab at the top. There's a sources link, and if you go down and you can add some of these sources. I like this one here because it has some add-ons for the weather icon that adds the weather temperature and current weather image up into your status bar. As far as I know, it hasn't worked with iOS 6 yet, but it probably will because they always update it. So he's got some features. So if you just copy that and go back to Cydia, and then you go back to your sources, if you tap the sources or the manage page and go to sources, you can see the ones that are in there, and you can hit edit and hit add. So you just want to add this link or this URL in here, and basically this is connecting to their servers, and this is basically going to give you a list of more apps that are out there. And this is a big reason why you want to jailbreak, because with Apple you open the App Store and all you get is Apple's apps. And so this way you can take anybody's link that has sources to other apps, and you'll get a new list of apps that are out there and available on other people's servers. So now we added this one, and so you can see there's a few more in here. And some developers will have beta sources, so you can get a link to their beta software. You can test it out before it's available. There's just all kinds of reasons that you may want to install a source. Maybe you don't want to see a bunch of themes for certain apps that you have, but there may be other tweaks and hacks that you want to see all these sources for all of these specific add-ons. Like for example, I have Open Notifier, which is puts little icons up in your status bar for when Facebook gets an update or whatever. Well, there are sources out there that will give you more and more icons and more places to download icons or more places to download themes or whatever. So just gives you more customization options, and it's pretty simple. If you got any questions, just leave one in the comments. Thanks.